Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into a Eventbrite account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. Whether you're on iOS or Android, this is the one for you. So let's just get straight into the video. If you're on iOS, simply go ahead and open App Store, or if you're in Android, simply go ahead and open Play Store and search for Eventbrite and make sure that you have downloaded and installed it onto your device. Once you've downloaded and installed it, simply go ahead and tap on open, and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on continue with any of these, and you can sign up through that. Or what you can do is just cancel this out and simply go ahead and skip on everything right over here and click on the bottom right hand side of your screen which says account, and go ahead and click on sign in. Once you do that, you want to simply go ahead and click on continue with email address. And now you can simply go ahead and enter your email. If you have an account, they will automatically sign you in, or if you don't, it would simply go ahead and continue to the sign up process, which is going to be letting you create a password, and it will also send a verification code to that email that you need to confirm, and your account will be ready. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.